In this lesson, you'll learn how to take the t-shirt and sleeve sloper that you drafted for stable knit stretch in our lesson, Drafting a Women's Fitted Stable Knit T-Shirt from Measurements lesson, and convert them for a 4-way stretch knit fabric. These 4-way knit slopers can be used in all of your activewear, shapewear, and swimwear garment designs. This lesson builds upon our other cut and sew knit lessons, such as Knit Fabric Principles, where you learned about knit stretch, and our lessons Knit Stretch Reductions, Torso Sloper, and Knit Stretch Reductions, Sleeve Slopers, where you learned about various knit stretch ratios. The knit t-shirt and sleeve sloper needed for this lesson can be found and drafted in our lesson, Drafting a Women's Fitted Stable Knit T-Shirt from Measurements. The fabric plan for this lesson is a cotton lycra 4-way knit jersey.